Columbidae in Sri Lanka. 5 types of cobia belonging to the genus are recorded. All of them feed on grains, nuts and fruits, and vegetables. One, Blue cobia emerald dove Chocophaps ithaca body. The lifespan is between 5 to 10 years. The blue cobia is a beautiful bird that is more colorful than the other four cobia species. Their body color is dark green, the head is white, the neck, chest area, and abdomen are brown mixed with gray, and the beak is red. 2. Gray cobia. Spotted dove Spilopelia chinensis. The lifespan is about 7.5 years. The color combination of the gray cobia is a pinkish gray body, with white spots on the black neck. It is easily distinguishable from other cobia is Data 3. Predigu Kairu cobia oriental turtle dove Streptopelia orientalis. The lifespan is 2 years. Although his body color is very similar to the gray cobia, there is a crosswise black stripe on the gray coin-shaped part of the neck. It can clearly distinguish this species from the gray cobia Ya.04. Where is the necklace? Eurasian collared dove Streptopelia decompta. The lifespan is about 17 years. A black necklace-like pattern is seen on the neck of the gray body. Collared dove Streptopelia tranquibarica. The lifespan is 17 years. The gray body feathers are easily distinguished from Mala cobia by the brownish red color and the black color across the neck. Identify the differences in their color patterns by observing the following pictures. To learn more about birds, join the following group: Birds Identification and Discussion Group of Sri Lanka, Birds of Sri Lanka. To learn more about birds, join the following group: Birds Identification and Discussion Group of Sri Lanka, Birds of Sri Lanka.